Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload shorts on PC. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open any of the browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Make sure you are logged in to YouTube. Now to upload shorts on your PC, on the top right corner you can see there are various options such as create and then YouTube apps, then notification, then your profile. You can directly upload from here, or you can go to YouTube Studio and then create from here. On the top right corner you can see create, tab on create. Now tab on upload videos, tab on select files. Then you want to choose videos such as this one, which is less than 1 minute and which is in the ratio of 9:6. And then you want to keep name of this video, then click on next. Then it is made for kids or not, select this and then tap on next. Then you want to tap on next again. Then it will check if it has copyright or not. Then after it is done, click on next. Then if you want to keep this to private, unlisted or public, I'm gonna keep it private for now. You can see this video. This is in 9:6 ratio. Then you want to click on save. So now it has been saved to your private shorts. This video is uploaded as shorts in YouTube. That is all for today. That is how you upload shorts on PC. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.